Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing your home appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the Electrolux washing machine E20 error code, a frustrating issue that can halt your laundry day in its tracks. If you've seen this code flashing on your screen, you're in the right place. We'll break down what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First things first. What exactly is the E20 error? In Electrolux machines, E20 typically signals a problem with the drain system. This means your washer isn't draining water properly, which could leave your clothes soaked and your machine stuck mid-cycle. It's a common error, especially in older models or with heavy use, but don't worry, it's often fixable at home. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most frequent culprits include a clogged drain filter, which collects lint and debris over time, a kinked or blocked drain hose that prevents water from flowing out, or even issues with the drain pump, like blockages or wear and tear. Other factors might be excessive suds from too much detergent or a faulty pressure sensor. Identifying the root cause is key to a quick fix. Alright, onto the solutions. Start by ensuring your safety. Unplug the washing machine and turn off the water supply. Next, locate the drain filter. It's usually at the bottom front of the machine. Remove it. Clean out any gunk with warm water and a brush, and reinstall it securely. If that doesn't do the trick, check the drain hose. Disconnect it from the machine and the wall, then inspect for bends or clogs. Straighten it out or use a pipe cleaner to remove obstructions. If the problem persists, you may need to examine the drain pump. This involves removing the access panel, consult your user manual for your specific model, and checking for foreign objects or damage. Be cautious, as this step requires some technical know-how. Once everything's clear, reassemble and run a test cycle. In most cases, these steps should resolve the E20 error and get your washer back in action. However, if the code keeps appearing, it might indicate a deeper electrical issue, so it's best to call a professional technician. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay tuned for our next Fix It video. See you soon.